My name is Rhett Perriman, and today I will be discussing acidulants and their uses. Acidulants are compounds that are added to foods to increase the acidity as well as impart a sour taste. Acidulants have many uses. I want to spend most of my time talking about those uses. First, acidulants are added to foods for flavor. As mentioned earlier, they impart a sour taste to foods. Second, acidulants are added as a pH control or buffering agent. Acidulants lower the pH of the food, and acidulants work best at their pKa. pKa is that pH where the undissociated form and dissociated form of the acid are split 50-50. And the acid works best in its undissociated form or below its pKa. So when the acid lowers the pH and gets down below that pKa, it is able to prevent the alteration of flavor and color in the food product and buffer that pH and control it so that the food product is quality and it's going to be most beneficial to the consumer. Third, acidulants are added to foods to prevent microbial growth. A common example of this would be acetic acid. This compound is added to prevent lactic acid bacteria growth as well as yeast growth and also mold growth in bread products. Acidulants can also be used as chelators, and the acid will bind to metal ions and prevent oxidative reactions or browning reactions in fruits and vegetables as well as lipid products to prevent rancidity. Acidulants can also be used as leavening agents, where they will be used as a dry acid in combination with baking soda to leaven the bread. They will help release the CO2 from the bread and help it rise and create that bread product. Acidulants also are used in the coagulation of milk products, or in other words, the formation of cheese. The acid will be directly added to the milk, lowering the pH and denaturing the casein proteins, the milk proteins, causing curd formation, which then leads to the formation of cheese. Acidulants, there are two types, organic and inorganic, and they can be used, just a few examples of those. Acetic and citric acids would be considered organic acids, and citric acid is one of the most commonly used acids. It's used in candy products, jellies, things like that. And we had already discussed acetic acid and how it prevents lactic acid bacteria growth. It's also found in vinegar at a concentration of about 4%. Phosphoric acid is an inorganic acid that's used at about 0.5%, commonly used in soft drinks, but also in other products. But it's added at such a low level because too much of phosphoric acid would cause a soapy flavor that's undesirable in products. So, those are just a few of the uses and benefits of acidulants. They're commonly used in the food industry to make these food products and to benefit food products and to really create desirable food products for the consumer. If you would like more information on acidulants, you can consult these references here. Thank you for listening and have a great day.